I've finally found where they hid their misfire counters, and it was in live data all along. I should have just looked. What I'm going to do now, just to give you an idea of a misfire counter working, I'm just going to pull the brake booster hose off to create a vacuum leak. As you can see here already, I've done it previously, and I've got one on cylinder 3 and 2 on cylinder 1. I will just graph those, and then I will reset my min-max scale to get rid of those misfire counters. I'll just get that up there for you. Okay, let's have a look, see if we can get them to play up. And of course it won't play up now, will it? Let's give it a quick blast to see what it does. There's one. Number 1's come on, number 2's come on. Excellent. It's taken a little while to get it to misfire, but there's your counters there, guys. And it will automatically reset, but you can see it's got it in its maximum scale. It's already written in there, and that gives you an idea of a misfire counter. Of course, if you want to create real havoc, just disconnect one of the coil leads and that'll show you misfire straight away. I've done number 2. So to look at it count up, you can see clearly, looks like it's getting to a maximum of 14. That might be where it stops. But that's your misfire counters in action.